everything we do is custom built. Now there are limitations, like if you have a single entry front door right now, it's just a 3680 or whatever front door, and you want to go back with a door and a side light. We are capable of enlarging the opening to accommodate a door and a side light, or a French door, or whatever. The limitations are, is there the space to do that? Is it structurally possible? And there's all kinds of things you have to consider in the wall. Are there gas pipes there? Are there water pipes there? Are there ventilation systems? Is there electrical? All these things. Normally you can find enough room to make it a double door. Not always, but normally can. But then there's, addition to that, there's load issues. So like if this is a ranch home, I only have to carry the weight of the roof line. If it's a 2-story home, I have to carry the weight of the 2nd story and the roof line. If it's a 3-story, on and on and on. If it's on the back of the house, it's a walkout. There's all those things that all have to be taken into consideration, that we do take into consideration. But in addition to that, it adds to the cost. Putting in a single door in the same opening is one thing. Creating an opening for a double door and putting in a double door, it's twice the price for the door, and then the additional labor to do that, and then how many levels above it do I have? And I'm just at a lake community east of Lee Summit. We did all these modifications to this old home, and I'm just like, oh my God, they had a double door and another double door a little bit apart from it, and they had structure in between it that was load bearing, and it was on the walkout of a 2-story house. So there was 2 stories above the basement, and they put this in-ground pool in and all that, and we put this beautiful 12-foot French sliding door, which means that the 2 middle panels slide opposing. So it opened up the whole back of the house, and it was just to be very honest, a pretty penny in construction and a pretty penny in product to do this. Man, did it turn out kick butt. It was so cool. They had a beautiful patio and a walkout pool, and they had a bar built in, and then inside they had a bar with a huge aquarium on it. And when you opened the door, it was like bringing the outside inside the home. It was just unbelievable. At the time, I was like, man, these people are spending a lot of money and they're crazy. Afterwards, I was like, man, that is really kick butt. So, we can do almost anything within reason and budget.